last time we were here, we were doing a plea, and we got to the point where you asked about if I felt that she was competent at the time of the offense.
Saying.
Or saying at the time of the offense, and I said no.
Yes.
And so we stopped the. I said I believe that she's saying now or competent at the time of the plea, and I still believe that. But I think you had stopped it, and you had requested that I file motions for evaluations, which.
All right, thank you.
Or judge.
All right.
I guess they have received it on there. Yes.
Hello, how are you doing? You're looking
okay.
great.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
So how's everything going with you?
Everything's going okay. I was able to get a mental health evaluation by myself.
Okay,
This is an accumulative eval
okay.
taking place after the event
Okay.
when I received care from them at first.
Okay.
And this is September 2nd up until now.
All right. All right. So you'll make sure your attorney has that so that if he wants to let the state see it, the state can see it as well. All right. There's an issue. Do you still want the eval?
Well, Judge, I mean, that's why I wanted to approach Your Honor. So last time we were here, we were doing a plea, and we got to the point where you asked about if I thought that she was competent at the time of the offense.
Saying.
Or saying at the time of the offense, and I said no.
Yes.
And so we stopped the. I said I believe that she's saying now and competent at the time of the plea, and I still believe that. But I think you had stopped it, and you had requested that I filed motions for evaluations, which I did, I believe, that day.
Yes. And they still have not completed them. And let me, the reason
I
why.
don't believe she's even been contacted by anybody or anything.
Yeah.
So, and I know she's frustrated with that too, because I've received some.
So here's the thing, the reason why I said that, because you're seeking probation from the court, right? And I'm inclined to follow your plea bargain agreement for that. However, if it's determined that someone was not sane at the time of the offense, then there are other options. And the options are that you wouldn't be in this court, you'll be on a form of probation. And when I say a form of probation, what would end up happening is they would show that you were insane at the time of the offense. It's a not guilty plea by reason of insanity, and a different court would monitor you to make sure that you have your case manager. They'll help you with all of that. Now, if you come to me, and as I said, I'm inclined to follow your application for probation, I will still sort of do the same thing, but it's just that the other court would have more resources for you. So I just wanted you to be aware of that, because your attorney is saying that he doesn't believe that you were sane at the time of the offense, and that opens up different avenues. So if you can discuss that with her about the implications of a, insane at the end, well, not guilty by reason of insanity plea, if you'll go over that with her, and then if knowing all of that, she still wishes to go forward with the plea, I'll accept it.
Okay, that's.
Yes.
Oh.
And if you'll tell her the collateral consequences of entering a plea of not guilty by reason of insanity, there are a host of collateral implications for that as well. So if you'll discuss that with him, and then after you've had ample time to discuss it with him, if there are any questions, let me know. If you want to continue with the plea after you discuss that with him, I'll continue with the plea, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. Thank you.